welcome back to the channel. Today I'm not doing a shoe review. Instead, I'm going to be showing you guys the entire UNIQLO KAWS collection. As you guys see, there's a bunch of shirts in here to get through. So a funny thing happened. I actually placed an order for 9 t-shirts on UNIQLO's site when they dropped, and instead of 9 they sent my order twice, so I ended up getting 18 shirts. So it's this stack, and then as I showed you guys before, we have this stack as well. It's the same shirts, just duplicates of each. Just to clarify, a couple of the pieces are missing. I didn't like 2 of the pieces, like the pocket tees, so I didn't end up getting those, but the rest of them I have them. It's the more intriguing pieces. So with that said, let's get right into them. Also guys, I'm going to show you guys how these fit towards the end of this video, so please stay tuned to that. So the first t-shirt we're going to go over is the all white clean slate tee. So this is just like a KAWS figurine with 2 smaller ones on it. Pretty clean, all white shirt, no designs on the back. So this is like, it's one of my favorite ones because it's subtle, but at the same time it doesn't really catch your eye. Some of the other pieces in here do, though. Again, these all retailed for $14.90, so super affordable t-shirts. And we have the Gone tee. This is actually really popular. I feel like a lot of people really like this one. It's also one of my favorites. Definitely not my favorite, but it's up there. So again, we have 2 different figurines here. So it's just like carrying the blue BFF one, which looks like Elmo. I always get it confused with Elmo, but this one's pretty cool. Once again, these are pretty much all basic tees with no designs on the back, which I don't mind. I would just like to have seen, like, maybe a little bit of branding over here with like the KAWS logos, but at the same time you're only paying $15 for them, so you really can't complain. Up next, the blue BFF comes back. This time it's on a teal t-shirt. I love t-shirts that are colorful. Obviously most of the collection is all white t-shirts, but this one in particular has a nice like blue tealish green color to it. I don't know what you want to call it. So this one is just the blue BFF, just standing up. Nothing special there. Just the overall color, and just looks pretty dope. Clean t-shirt, summer vibes, perfect for the summer, definitely. Next up, we have my second favorite piece from this drop. It's the pink companion tee. So this is a pink shirt. Again, I do love these colored ones because summer is right around the corner, and these are going to be super easy to wear in the summer. You can rock with pretty much anything you want. Simple, clean t-shirt. We have the companion in the front, and then we have like the little pink one right there holding onto his hand. So pretty cool, cute design, Next up, we have what's in my opinion the most wearable piece from this collection. So here we have the navy blue all over holiday print tee. So this is just the KAWS companion figurine all throughout the shirt. Looks really dope. And honestly, this one online, it didn't look that great, and that's why I feel like a lot of people actually slept on it. But in person, the design is definitely more transparent. You could definitely see it better. And it just looks dope. Like, it's a great shirt. It also looks kind of classy. I think you wear it out. A bit more wearable than the other ones. I know these big figures kind of, unattract a few people, but this one, I think you wear pretty much any outfit you want. Super clean t-shirt. This is one of my favorites as well. It's a design I'm a really huge fan of. So up next, we actually have my favorite from this entire collection. I'm also actually wearing it right now. Here we have the white flayed tees, the half companion, half like anatomy shirt, I guess. Definitely eye-catching, colorful, at the same time very simplistic. Like the anatomy of the companion on the left half looks super sick, and a lot of KAWS is known for designs like this, and I feel like that's why I'm really attracted to this one. Definitely gonna be wearing this shirt all summer long. Super clean white shirt. Once again, basic, no designs on the back. This definitely has to be the best piece from this collection in my opinion, and I feel like prices on this and the pink one, the pink companion I showed earlier, I feel like those prices are going to go up a lot over time. And last but not least from my pickups, we have the pink BFF tee. Pink BFF figurine is hugging the little companion. It's pretty nice. Again, cool little hit of pink on the white shirt. Again, these are just perfect shirts for the summer, and at $15 you cannot go wrong. Now the main thing with these KAWS shirts is the sizing. A lot of people really have trouble with the sizing. So I'm going to show you guys how they look, and I'm going to talk about my personal measurements and what size I usually wear. And so you guys saw me unbox all those, and I got doubles of all that, so it's pretty freaking cool. Shout out to UNIQLO for sending my order twice. Really appreciate it, although I know you guys didn't mean it, but can't complain. Got 18 shirts from UNIQLO KAWS drop, super stoked. And with that said, let's get right into the sizing. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how this fits. So this shirt is actually a size XL. The size is written right here. I actually left the tag on so you guys can see it. So usually I wear a size large, sometimes a size medium in designer shirts, but generally like Supreme and stuff, or just a basic, white Hanes tee, I'll go with a size large, so it's kind of a looser fit. Now with these, you have to remember this is a Japanese sizing, so you gotta go at least a size up. So what I did, when I usually wear a large, sometimes a medium, I actually went and got a size XL in this. In my opinion, it fits perfect, kind of loose, not too tight, not too baggy. So I'm just gonna stand up and like do a 360, and all of the shirts fit the exact same. There's really no difference between any of them. So I'm just gonna show you guys this particular one because again, it's my favorite, and you guys can get an idea how the rest fit as well. Also really quick, I'm gonna leave my height and weight in this video, but just to tell you guys, I'm about 5'10 and a half, 5'11, and I weigh about 165 pounds, and I usually again wear a size large in t-shirts, so base your sizing off of that. We have a look at the front of the t-shirt. As you guys can see, the arm length looks pretty good. If it was just a little bit higher, like up here, would be better, but I like this baggy feel. It looks pretty good. It's not too oversized. So it comes down to about here on the waistline. Good sizing, I like it. Loose, and also you guys just gotta remember this is brand new, so once you wash it, it might actually shrink a little bit. Then a side view of it, once again, the arm is a little bit loose, but it's not bad. So taking a look at the back of the t-shirt. Just to reiterate, this is a size XL. Usually I wear a size large in t-shirts, so I went one size up on this. And once again, all of these shirts fit the exact same. So take a good look, and hopefully this was helpful to you guys. Alright, so there you guys have it. I show you guys how these look when you're actually wearing them. Once again, you can throw them on with a pair of pants, a pair of shorts for summer. They look absolutely great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully just pick up and try on was helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.